Alright, let's go deliver some Walmart, fam. Let's get it. Gotta bust out the wagon for this one. It's a heavy order. Alright, let's go. Bust out the wagon. Heavy order, fam. Got 3 40 packs of water. Yeah. It's been a while since I used the head strap, so sorry if the footage is not clear. So this should take us 2 or 3 trips. We'll see how it goes. Alright, let's get it, fam. Well, let's do the light one first, huh? Got 40 packs of water. We have eggs as well, and bread. I'm gonna put the eggs and bread separate. Got the eggs right here. Be super careful with eggs. And I think we have to load it up for them. Bring it inside for the customer. Alright, we'll see how it goes. Alright, we'll be back with a couple more trips. Alright, let's go, fam.
Alright, let's do this again. My GoPro app is not working for some reason. With the GoPro app, you can see the preview. So we're gonna have to load it up for them. So see how it goes. Going to. Yeah, this might take us 2 or 3 trips, fam. 308. Gonna have to blank out some faces.
Bring it on in.
All right. Do you want me to just put it in the kitchen for you, or?
Kitchen.
All right.
Yeah, it's gonna take me 2 or 3 trips, so. I'll be back for 2 more trips, so. Alright. Alright, fam. See if we can get it done this trip, huh? Now we have to do 3 trips. Yep. So this is what Walmart is like, fam. You never know what you're gonna get, right? Someday you get 40 packs of water. Someday you just get some light items. Just the luck of the draw, baby. Well, I exaggerated. It's 24 packs. We might be able to get done on this trip. Let's see. I need a bigger wagon too, fam. Alright. I'm gonna have to use the bag. The bag that comes with the wagon. Ooh-wee. That's hot dogs. Yeah, might have to use that bag, fam. See how it goes. Yep. Alright, we'll bust out the bag. I don't know what's the bag that comes with it. I'll use my food bag. We got all of our stuff. Alright. Alright, we got it done in 2 trips. Not too shabby. Alright, let's go back to the floor, fam. Let's get it. Okay. Yeah, maybe we run home to film more. See if I can blow out the faces, huh? Okay, shouldn't be that hard, right? Alrighty, I'm back for the second trip. Yes, ma'am.
Alright, fam. So that's what delivering to a 3rd floor apartment is like, you know. And this lady come over and asked if I'm gonna deliver her Amazon stuff. Well, I do work for Amazon Flex, but not currently, but not at the moment. Alright, let's go home and edit this video. Hopefully I can blur out faces, you know. Let's go, fam. Then the life of a Walmart Spark driver. Yes, sir. Alright, fam. So the first order took me like, well, it's supposed to take me like 15 minutes. No, we're not doing this one. Hell no, get out of here, dude. $3 for 10 miles? Are you kidding me? Supposed to take me 15 minutes, but I had to go Starbucks and use the restroom. Thank you, Starbucks, for letting everybody use the restroom. Shout out to Starbucks. I mean, I did buy something with them at Starbucks, but you don't have to. I ran to the gas station, but yeah, they don't. The bathroom is closed. Order and pay? Nah. Order and pay for that price? Automatic no. So to multi-app, you don't really need two phones, you know. Main reason I have two phones, I do a lot of live streaming. Alright, I think we should head towards downtown, huh? We're in Littleton right now. This is not the best area for lunch. Alright, let's go towards downtown, fam. Let's take a look at Flex, huh? Nothing good with Flex. Nothing worth my time. I only do package if it's above 25 an hour. Yeah, package is a lot of work, fam, so it's got to be at least $25 for me to accept it. All right, let's go towards downtown, huh? Let's go. All right, fam, next up we got Player Bowl. Yeah, for lunch I don't do the $2 per mile or $1.80 for lunch. Maybe $1.50 per mile. Minimum order of $7 minimum pay. All right, we got Player Bowl. $7.50 for 3, I believe. Let's go, fam.
Have no parking space, I have to park illegally. Oh man, make a quick run in and run out. Hi, Adam. Hey, awesome, thank you, man. Alright, fam, we got Adam's order. Let's go. Let's hope we don't get a ticket. The Amazing Race. The Amazing Race Denver edition.
Alright, you want to see what I see when I drive around? Flex app is notifying me that there's some good blocks. No, not good enough for me, fam. This one, that one's alright. I'm already late for that one, you know. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, nothing really good. Oh yeah, we might do some Instacart today. We'll see how it goes, huh? Alright, guys, see the Instacart badge? Nah, that's too low, fam. 18 items and the pay is only $14.54. Nah, we're good on that, fam. So that's what multi-apping is like. If that order is like 25, I'll do it, but $14.54, not worth it. Alright, first drop off was smooth. On our way to drop off the second one. Hopefully it's a house, fam. Lots and lots of items. We do have the G-Wagon. Yeah, the pay for this is $78. Total miles driven was 16 miles, so dollar to mile ratio is good. In terms of time, not too shabby. I was a little bit slow once again. I was 20 minutes behind recommended shopping time, so we'll see how it goes. It's not a scammer, just some car salesman calling me about Toyota RAV4. Alright, we have one order, just 5 blueberries or some. Should be a quick and easy order. Let's go, fam. This one is just 5 blueberries, fam. Should be a quick and easy shopping order. All right, so you put it on the scale and weigh it. The quantity is 5 and 11.5 pounds, and the customer's okay with the substitution. All right, let's go. So this one's pretty easy, fam. Just 5 of the same item. There was a substitution, and our customer was super responsive. Took him 10 seconds to reply. He wanted some blue moon cherries, but we had to go with settle with Canadian cherries. All right, let's go deliver some cherries. Yes, sir. Let's go, fam. Oh yeah, shout out to Sprouts for having reserved parking for us, fam. Awesome. All right, fam. The shopping part for the King Super was pretty smooth. I got it on time, like 1 minute before the estimated shopping time. That was like 3 replacement. Yeah, a little bit frustrating. Customer was responsive, so you know we got it done. Yeah, right. And the dog food shopping part was really easy, just 1 item. Yeah, that only took like 2 minutes. All right, let's go deliver the customer A and then customer B. Let's go. All right, busting on the wagon today, fam. Let's get it. Instacart, baby. Let's go. Alright, fam. It's 5:43 p.m. So we're back to doing Uber Eats now. Double stack. 13 for 6 miles. Double stack. Let's go. Alright. Double stack. Let's go. Alright, we'll take that one. Earlier I had a shop and pay $3, 3 for 3 at Target. 3 for 3. Shopping order 3 for 3. So once again, this is multi-apping at its best right here. You just log on with multiple apps, you know. So I'm currently with Uber Eats. This is what Instacart looks like. Nah, we're not gonna do that. Earlier, well, I screenshotted it, but there's some good offers, but it's way too early. 3:30. I used to be able to do those blocks. Those was super late for me, not super early. Yeah, I used to do graveyard, but yeah, this current week I've been working like from 11 a.m. to like 8 p.m. ish. Yeah, so it's a really good block, but you gotta, it's either super late or super early. Yeah, some good flex blocks, fam. And like I said, man, we're independent contractor. We don't need to accept everything. There's all kind of blocks, but none of them are good, except for the 3 blocks this morning. One Costco double order, one item at Sprouts, and the other one was also a double order. That one was pretty good. All right, let's go to Walter's 303 Lowry. Let's go, fam. All right, fam, we got a double stack at 303 pizza. Well, thanks for me taking my time a little bit. I was trying to do YouTube shorts. I was trying to post a YouTube shorts, and the second order pops up. So, and it was ready in 2 minutes. So, works out perfect, fam. All right, let's go drop off these pizza. Let's go. Still 3 miles 7 minutes. Look at this beautiful sunset, fam. It's kind of hard to drive into the sunset, but it is beautiful. Bust that bozo? Hell no. Decline. Bye bye. Double stack at the Ghost Kitchen, fam. This one should be pretty fast. Let's go. See that, fam? Instant offer, but I'm on a double stack. I'm on a double stack. If I was on a single, I might have grabbed that instant offer. That's not too shabby. But yeah, we don't have time. We wouldn't make it on time. So.
Using the right lane, make a
Alright, so we missed the instant offer, and then there's some more offers. But I think tomorrow I'm just gonna do like, I don't know, some more Instacart and food delivery. That prime now at the 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 is not bad. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, I'll probably be on for like another hour or two and we'll call it a day. Pretty good Thursday today. Not too shabby, not too shabby, fam. Alright, smooth handoff. Now we're heading to Brighter in Low-High. Brighter, let's go. Alright, fam, it's 8:15 p.m. So we started the day at 9:46. Let's just say 10. So we work like maybe like 8 plus 2, 10, 9 hours today. Minus 1 hour break, 9 hours. Walmart we made 27. Instacart we made 108 with Instacart. 110. That's 137. And with the last 3 orders pending, we'll have 42 with Uber Eats. 42. Yeah, last 4 orders pending. So 42. Yeah, I think we might break 200 today in 9 hours. I say it's per hours below average due to the fact that I work lunch, you know, and I'm pretty slow with Instacart. Alright, keep you guys posted with earnings when I get home, huh? Thank you everybody for watching. See you guys on the next one. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, I only drove 65 miles today. Oh, like 65 miles. So when you do Instacart, your dollar to mile ratio is very high, you know. Yeah. With Instacart, you don't do too much driving, but you do a lot of shopping, so keep that in mind. Some people just like to pick up food and deliver it. Some people like to do the shopping. So yeah, today I worked 10 hours and only drove 65. That's pretty low miles for today, due to a lot of the 3 Costco orders. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, fam. I'm still learning how to use this bad boy. I'm still struggling. So this video is edited with my iPad once again. So we made 207 in 9 hours. Not too shabby considering I work lunch and during the slow hours. Thank you everybody for watching. See you guys on the next one. So we made 207 in 9 hours. Not too shabby.